Ever found yourself pondering the question, how can I make money online? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring 5 viable ways to generate an income online, all from the comfort of your home. First up, freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular choice for many skilled individuals across the globe. If you possess a particular talent or skill, whether it's graphic design, writing, marketing, or programming, you can sell your services online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients seeking your expertise. Our second point of discussion is online teaching. As the world shifts towards digitization, the demand for online education is on the rise. If you have a knack for teaching and a subject you're passionate about, you can create an online course or tutor students through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Chegg. Next, we delve into the world of blogging and vlogging. If you have a unique voice or perspective to share, starting a blog or a vlog can be a great way to generate income. With platforms like WordPress for bloggers and YouTube for vloggers, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Our fourth point revolves around selling products online. If you're crafty or have products to sell, setting up an online store can be a lucrative venture. Websites like Etsy for handmade goods or Amazon and eBay for a variety of products provide a platform to reach a global audience. Finally, we look at stock trading and investing. While this does involve a certain level of risk, with proper knowledge and understanding, it can become a reliable source of income. Platforms like eTrade, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade make online trading accessible to everyone. To recap, we've discussed 5 potential avenues for making money online. These include freelancing, online teaching, blogging or vlogging, selling products online, and stock trading or investing. Each of these methods requires different skills and levels of commitment, but with dedication and perseverance, they can all become viable sources of income. So if you've ever found yourself wondering how to make money online, remember these 5 methods. They just might be your ticket to financial freedom. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities that the online world has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video reliable. And see you in the next video.